Hello everyone, this is teacher Jason here. So today we're going to be talking about the shifting of areas. Now in PSLE, there are certain times there are questions that can be quite difficult or troublesome to solve as it requires us to solve the different components of the figures separately. Now, can we actually find some methods to make it easier? In this question that we have here, we are being given that the diameter of this circle is 14 centimeters, pi equals to 22/7, and we have a figure where we have a rectangle and an overlapping circle. So we are tasked to actually determine the perimeter and area of the figure. So let us observe this figure a little bit more. Now, when we are looking at the perimeter of the figure, where are we talking about? We are actually starting from here, 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 and we also have this component. Based on how I've been tracing with my fingers, I can calculate the area of this figure just by looking at a full rectangle followed by the circumference of the circle. Now, the perimeter, we just need to include the perimeter of the rectangle first. Twice of the breadth plus the length, and subsequently just adding on with our circumference of the circle, being pi d, 22/7 multiplied by the diameter, which is 40. If we do our calculations over here, we simply get 100 centimeters. You can see, rather than splitting them into different sections to count, we actually made it very simple. A rectangle and a circle. Now, in this case, if we look at the area of the figure, it's even easier. So why not we try to shift the areas by taking this component and shifting it down. And why can we do so? Because we see that the diameter is 14 cm and we are given this 14 cm here. This is the diameter of the circle. It has to be the line that cuts the circle right into half. Meaning that what we are calculating here is just the area of a full rectangle. Okay, rather than actually taking the rectangle, subtracting an unshaded semicircle, then adding another semicircle at the top, we are simply only calculating one thing, which is the area of the rectangle. So all we need to do is just take 20 times 8, 160 cm squared. And just like that, using shifting of areas and trying to look at the components of the figures, combine them together, it makes it so much easier to solve our question.